Honorable Chief Guest, respected Managing Director Sir, Director Ma'am, esteemed dignitaries and our cherished parents. I, Lavi Sharma, Vice Principal Senior Swasthian Senior Secondary School, Haldwani, take this opportunity to welcome you all for the annual felicitation ceremony 2025. It is the day when we take stock of the year that has gone by and review the achievements. Praising the journey of Swasthian from the year of inception, it was indeed from a very modest and humble beginning to a full-fledged senior secondary school today. Swasthian encompasses pre-primary, primary, secondary school, and the journey is far from over. I feel that the past 6 years only prepared us to take the flight we wish to take us to the greater heights in the coming years. The past 1 year has been a glorious tapestry woven with golden threads of excellence, perseverance, triumph, and leaving an indelible mark on our hearts. In the hallowed walls of our institution, the lamp of knowledge burns ever brightly. Our diligent students have achieved remarkable milestones in academics with outstanding performances in the board examination with 100% result in the year 2023-24 and 4 students scoring 90% and above in AISSE 2023-24. We have the visuals of the toppers on the screen. Next in the line are 2 students, Athar Bisht and Ayush Karki of class 12, participated in the quiz competition Brainwave 2.0 organized by Graphic Hera Hill University and won the runners-up trophy with a cash prize of 25,000. Our students also participated in various competitions organized by CBSE, like in Aryabhata Ganit Challenge. 3 students, Rakshit Latwal from class 10, Samad Singh Bisht from class 9 and Vineet Karki from class 8 qualified for the second level and were placed under 150 rank all over India. I indeed feel very proud to tell you that 3 of our students, Diva Goswami, Grace Amit and Geetika Bisht from class 9 qualified for the cluster round of CBSE Heritage Quiz held at Tulaz Institute, Dehradun, and they have already been there in the month of November 2024. Talking about different Olympiad exams conducted by SOF, our students performed excellently well. 28 students of ours from classes 1 to 11 won gold medal of excellence in International Mathematics Olympiad. Please find the visuals on the screen. 17 students from classes 1 to 10 won gold medal of excellence in International English Olympiad. Audience are expected to give a huge round of applause so that our students are motivated to even perform well this year. 4 students getting gold medal of excellence in National Science Olympiad and 2 students getting gold medal of excellence in International General Knowledge Olympiad. Many of our students have indeed qualified for the second level of Olympiads, also results of whose are still awaited. The meticulous guidance of our faculty and the unwavering determination of our students yielded exemplary performance in Bharat Kojano competition organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad. 14 students from class 8 participated in prestigious Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan competition and 3 students from class 9 participated in CBSE Indian Navy quiz. Our students also showcased their scientific temperament and innovative thinking by registering their innovative ideas for Inspired Awards organized by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Our teachers have left no stone unturned in making learning an enriching and engaging experience through interactive methodologies, digital classroom, and innovative pedagogies. Various subject-based activities, quizzes, and debates. Exhibitions have been conducted to foster curiosity and critical thinking among students. Now next in the list are the co-curricular triumphs. At Swasthian, We nurture not just minds but souls, fostering creativity and intellectual progress. This year, our students have left their mark on the plethora of competition in which International Humanity Olympiad needs a special mention, where 11 of our students secured ranks under 250 all over India, and Palak Rawat of class 9 secured rank 10. 9 students from class 9 and 11 performed excellently well at IIMUN, organized at Aurum the Global School. Our eloquent speakers participated in inter-school debate competition organized by Public School Association in Hindi and English both. Next, the artistic prowess of our students was celebrated and garnered laurels in drawing competition organized by Amar Ujala on the occasion of Parents' Day and Independence Day, in which Chetna Basera of class 9 won the first prize. Anushka of class 8 won the first prize in the Diya decoration competition, again organized by Amar Ujala. Students of class 9 and 11 participated in Nukkad Natak competition organized by PSA Haldwani. Our student Charvi Bhatt of class 9 participated in Local Conference for Youth India 2024 held at Tamil Nadu. Moving forward in the arena of sport, I am really proud to announce that our young athletes have displayed indomitable spirit and resilience, providing the victory belongs to those who dare to dream and work tirelessly to achieve them. In inter-school competitions organized by Public Schools Association Haldwani, our students bagged laurels and got second place in the sub-junior category, and Vivan Bagadwal of class 5 declared as the rising player of the tournament. Our Kho-Kho team, both girls and boys, showed incredible sportsmanship, and the senior girls team qualified for the second semi-final in Inter-School Kho-Kho Championship organized again by PSA Haldwani. Shivang Bagadwal won the gold medal in butterfly category at state level and bronze medal in fin swimming competition at state level, and we qualified for national level also. Vaishnavi Chaketa of class 7 won the gold medal in 10-meter air rifle Kumaon region shooting competition. Please give a huge round of applause. Ishita Shahi from class 5 and Bhargav Shahi from class 3 participated in the 4th Uttarakhand Karate Cup 2024 organized by Uttarakhand Karate Association at Dehradun, in which Bhargav bagged the gold medal and Ishita bagged the silver medal. Nikita Pandey of class 5 and Himanshi Patne of class 7 won the gold medal in MKF Zonal Karate Championship 2024. Our 5 students participated in 5-kilometer range run organized by Tri Club and won medals. Ishita Mehra of class 8 won silver medal in Karate Championship at Khel Kumbh organized by Government of Uttarakhand. Now, the heartbeat of every institution, and our institution especially, reverberates through the vibrant celebrations of culture and tradition. Our annual cultural fest, Fun, Frolic and Feast was a resplendent spectacle where parents and students showcased their incredible culinary skills and prepared the cuisines of different states of India. Thank you parents for participating in those competitions, that event too. Festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day, Dashera, Uttarakhand Sthapna Divas, Teachers' Day were celebrated with grandeur, instilling in us a deep sense of pride and unity. Beyond the pursuit of excellence, our students have embodied the values of compassion and service. 86 students from our school collected donations from their neighborhood for a non-profit organization, Seva Sankalp. Please give them a huge round of applause. They are extremely sensitive towards the environment too. As a green initiative, our students actively participate in plastic collection drive and segregation of waste, raising awareness about the need for environmental conservation. To enrich the learning experience, a multitude of workshops and seminars are being conducted by CBSE every year, and in line with this, we got an opportunity to host 3 such workshops in the session 2024 and 25. with more than 120 teachers from all over the city participating in it. And our teachers were enrolled for 21 such workshops throughout the year, which provided invaluable insights, ensuring professional development for team and a nurturing environment for our students. Now, as we draw a curtain on another spectacular year, we stand on the precipice of greater aspirations and boundless possibilities. The triumphs of this year would not have been possible without unwavering dedication of our students and support of our parents. With hope in our hearts and dreams in our eyes, let us march forward with renewed enthusiasm, unwavering determination, and a vision to reach greater heights as we keep developing courage, curiosity, creativity, compassion, and concentration in our children. Thank you everyone for being here, and may the coming year be even more luminous and rewarding. Thank you everyone.